Hello people, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can take two pictures with Bereal. And Bereal is the new app to show yourself you're real and to show others you're real. Well, that's the intention of the app. We open it and well, I wait for the notification and you have to post a Bereal to see other pictures. Well, so let's go. I'm opening it. And then what it's doing now, it opens the cam from the front. Well, you see, it's my room. And I also can turn the switch button. So, well, hello, here I am. And now it takes two pictures in 1 minute and 40 seconds. It takes two pictures from the front and from the back. So now I'm here from the front and this is the back. So if I make a picture, I will show you. Wait a second. I show you now. So I'm watching a video in YouTube, and it don't matter so much for this video. But well, let's go 3, 2, 1, and we have to smile. So it we have the Bereal, and you see it automatically takes one from the front and one from the back. If you want to do it again, you press the cross button and you can do it again. Let's go. So wait now. So again we turn the camera and you can see if you well, if you're watching TV or if you're doing a sport, you can make first one from the front, from the back, I'm sorry, and then one from the front. It goes automatically. So let's go, let's try. I'm smiling. There you go. So that's how you take Bereal pictures. And we have 19 seconds to post it, so I click send. And then you see other Bereals as well. And well, you can add a caption, but I will explain later in the next video. For now, you know how to take two pictures with Bereal. Thanks.